Hi friends, welcome to online education, and today we continue our topic of vowel digraph. Last time we learned about AI, AY, double E, EA, both sounds, IE both sounds, and now today we learn about O sounds. Okay, so first of all we learn about OA sounds. OA sounds, then OW sounds, and then OE sounds. Okay, so firstly we learn about OA sounds. The sounds of OA is long O. O. The sound of S is S, O, P, soap. The sound of O is O, K, oak, K, O, T, cot, K, O, T, cot, G, O, T, got, Ta, O, D, Todd. And the sound of OW is also long O. Ba, O, Bo, Ra, O, Ro, O, N, on, Ba, L, O, blow, Sa, N, O, snow, Kha, R, O, crow. The sound of OE. OE is also O. Ta, O, to, Fa, O, fo, Da, O, do. So dear viewers, today we learned about OA, OW and OE sounds. Hope all of you like my video. Please like my video, share my video, and comment if you like. And if you have any topic in your mind you want to see the video of this topic, then please tell me. I will make video on that topic. Take care everyone.